In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Power BI with a MySQL server and import data for a full setup. This guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly, ensuring you've got everything you need to get your data flowing smoothly into Power BI. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Power BI on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you download the latest version from the official Power BI website. Once it's up and running, you'll be greeted by the Power BI interface, which is your central hub for all data visualization tasks. As soon as Power BI is open, head over to the Home tab located at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find many of the essential functions you'll be using frequently. One of the key features in this tab is the Get Data option. Look for it. It's usually positioned on the left side of the toolbar and marked by a downward arrow. Click on it to begin the process of importing new data sources into Power BI. After clicking Get Data, a new window will pop up presenting you with a plethora of data source options. Here, your task is to locate the MySQL Server option. You might have to scroll through the list or use the search function at the top of the window to find it. Power BI supports a wide variety of data sources, but today our focus is on MySQL. Once you've located the MySQL Server option, click Connect. This action will prompt Power BI to prepare for communication with a MySQL database. At this point, you're making great progress. Now comes the part where you need to input some details. Power BI will ask for the server name or IP address where your MySQL database is hosted. Enter the appropriate credentials like the server address and the database you wish to connect. You'll also need to provide your username and password for access. Make sure these details are correct. Otherwise, Power BI won't be able to establish a connection. Next, you may be prompted to choose a data access mode. Direct Query allows for real-time data retrieval, which is excellent if you need up-to-date information, while the import mode is better if you want to work with a snapshot of your data. Select whichever suits your needs best. After connection setup, you'll be shown a list of databases and tables available on your MySQL server. Choose the dataset you intend to work with by selecting the relevant tables. Lastly, Power BI gives you options to format your data before completing your import. You might want to consider adjusting the formatting to meet your specific visual or analytical requirements. This can involve changes to data types, names, or even initial data transformations. Once you're satisfied, finalize the import. With that, you've successfully connected Power BI to your MySQL server. You'll now be ready to create insightful visualizations and dashboard reports using your imported data. Happy analyzing!